All right. Time for my 2 cents.
All right, so it's been a while since I've made a video, but I got pretty excited about this one. I got a new toy. It's an Oliver 356 sickle bar mower. It used to be 7 foot, but the previous owner modified it to 5 feet for clearing ditches and stuff, and that's what I intend to use it for. Got a great price, and I'm going to hook it up today. So, show you guys the install, and hopefully today even maybe do a few ditches. As you can see, some of the rock guards and stuff here are crooked. Some of them are even a little loose. The hold downs are a little bit high, so some modifications to do or little repairs to do, but overall for the price and for what it is, it was great. So bring you back in a few when I get the tractor. Okay, so we're really close. As you can imagine, it's a bit of a juggling act here, especially because this is an old style top link. That's got to go on. Need a little bit of help from our friends here to get all these parts moving. And some bubbles. I'm going to show us how it works. All right, almost there. It's looking good. Like I said earlier, I'm going to have to tighten up some of these things, but that's next. Let's get it on the machine first. tanks are tight on both sides and set, but it seems pretty good. I'm actually a little bit surprised by how much this is out. I might look for a way to improve that. Alright, so I'm going to try to show you guys what we do here. First things first, drop it down. Try and keep the PTO drive shaft horizontal to the ground to minimize wear. I'm at a relatively low RPM. Get this thing going. Then pick it up. Whoops, wrong way. Then pick up the RPM. Just under 25 I'm running it at. And then here we go. So this has been cut already, but a couple of weeks ago, and we'll take a bit off here.
Probably should have done that first, I guess, huh?
So there we go, very happy with that. This trail done, the ditch done. There's the barn way in the back. I'm not sure if you can see it very well. And this ditch done now. And that field cleaned up. Maybe I'll get back in there in a couple of weeks. Maybe it dries up a bit. We've had a very wet summer so far. Maybe go back there with the sickle motor if it dries up at all. Clean that down. Alright, so that's it for today. A combination of the new toy and the old toy. Got a lot done today. Hope that was fun. And a chainsaw actually started off. Nice little toy. Fun to use actually. Thanks for watching.